In this video, we're going to be taking a look at this little CVLIFE EDC pocket knife that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. Guys, this here comes obviously with your knife. If you don't carry a handkerchief like the old guys I grew up around, they do give you this little cleaning cloth here, and they even give you a piece of lanyard if you want to make a loop to hang this off of a carabiner or something like that. So guys, this here, the handle on this here has got some nice grip onto it. So, you know, if your hands are slippery or whatever, you got something nice to hold on to. Overall length on this here, just about 5.5 inches, just short of a 2 1/4 inch blade. Got a nice thick blade there, so there's no flex on this blade whatsoever when you're cutting. You know, it does have the flipper on there. It's got the lock down below. Nice and ergonomic. You know, you've got a nice place there for your forefinger to rest under. So if you're doing some heavy cutting, like, you know, you're not going to slip off and cut yourself. On the top, you've got this texture here for your thumb to rest on, so you get a real nice grip on the knife itself. It's plenty sharp right out of the box. Plenty sharp right out of the box for, you know, most of your day-to-day cutting needs. You know, got these little bars across the top there, so if you need to do some fine detail work or whatever, you know, you've got something to grab onto other than the blade itself. So nice blade, got a nice metal clip on it. You can reverse this here to the other side depending on how you want to carry, left or right. The bearings on here are nice and smooth. It does have a nut there that you can tighten or loosen if you want to relieve the tension on the blade or add more tension to it. But, you know, pretty nice blade here, guys. If you guys are looking for a little EDC pocket knife, I highly recommend this here. Hope this helps.